Hi guys, I'm Rachel, Test Kitchen Manager here at the Feedfeed, and today we're taking everyone's favorite Indian drink, mango lassi, and turning them into ice pops. So this is a special request by Molly, our senior food editor. It is super easy to make, so let's begin. So first things first, I'm going to show you my way of cutting a mango. There's tons of ways. You can like peel it or just slice it and make incisions and kind of turn it over and scoop it out. I'm going to go ahead and make our mango puree, which will be the base of our lassi. So you want to use like a high-speed blender because we want the puree to be really smooth, free of any chunks. So I'm also going to add a little bit of maple syrup. There's some salt and cardamom. And so looks like our puree is done. I have my bowl here. So I recommend using full-fat Greek yogurt because that will prevent your popsicles from being icy, and in turn they'll be like nice and creamy, exactly how you want your popsicles to be. And no mango lassi is complete without some saffron. So we're going to sprinkle some. So I've transferred my mango lassi mix to a pourable like liquid measuring cup, but use whatever you have. And we're gonna go ahead and pour this into our molds. I'm gonna just give this a light tap, and this will ensure that it gets rid of any air bubbles that are in this in our popsicles. And then I'm going to use like a bench scraper to get out any extra puree that we have kind of floating around at the top of your mold. And because you can never have too much saffron, I'm going to sprinkle some threads on top, and these babies are ready to go in the freezer. You want to freeze them for a minimum of at least 4 hours, and then up to 24 hours, and then they will be done. How pretty is this? In my opinion, this could also be a great breakfast on the go. There's yogurt, there's fruit, there's cardamom and maple syrup. What's not to like? I'm gonna garnish this with a little bit of mint so it looks nice and pretty. These are perfect for summer, tangy, delicious, exactly what you need to cool things off. Make them, tag us, and find the recipe on the Feedfeed.